Boost your vocabulary. Common phrasal verbs in English. Let's begin. Pick up. Pick up. To lift something from a surface. He picked up the pen that fell on the floor. Put on. Put on. To wear something. She put on her shoes and went outside. Take off. Take off. To remove something, especially clothes. He took off his jacket because it was hot. Put down. Put down. To place something on a surface. She put down the book and looked at me. Write down. Write down. To write something on paper so that you don't forget it later. Please write down my number before you forget. Turn around. Turn around. To move your body so that you face the opposite direction. She turned around to see who called her name. Lie down. Lie down. To rest or put your body flat on a surface. She lay down on the bed to take a short nap. Dry off. Dry off. To remove moisture from something or someone, usually by wiping or using a towel. He dried off his hands after washing them. Hang up. Hang up. To place something on a hook or hanger. Please hang up your coat before you sit down. Hand out. Hand out. To distribute or give something to each person in a group. The teacher handed out papers to all students. Take down. Take down. To write something. The secretary took down every word he said. Take down. Take down. To remove something from a higher place or position. They took down the old picture from the wall. Wipe off. Wipe off. To remove something by rubbing or cleaning. He wiped off the dirt from his shoes. Put out. Put out. To stop something from burning. The firefighters quickly put out the fire. Tie up. Tie up. To bind or fasten something. He tied up the box with a strong rope. Peel off. Peel off. To remove a layer from something. She peeled off the sticker from the glass. Run over. Run over. To hit someone or something with a vehicle. The driver almost ran over a cat last night. Throw up. Throw up. To vomit. The baby threw up after drinking too much milk. Pass out. Pass out. To faint or lose consciousness. He passed out because the room was too hot. Put aside. Put aside. To save something, usually money or time, for later use. I put aside some money for my vacation. Take out. Take out. To remove something from somewhere. She took out her phone from her bag. See off. See off. To go somewhere with someone to say goodbye. We went to the airport to see off my friend. Split up. Split up. To end a romantic relationship or break up with someone. They decided to split up after 5 years. Take out. Take out. To go on a date with someone or invite someone out. He took her out to dinner last weekend. Split up. Split up. To divide or separate into smaller parts or groups. We split up into teams for the school game. Pass away. Pass away. To die. Her grandfather passed away peacefully last night. Grow up. Grow up. To become an adult or to mature. I grew up in a small village near the sea. Look after. Look after. To take care of someone or something. She looks after her little brother every evening. Come across. Come across. To find something by chance. I came across an old photo in the drawer. Set up. Set up. To arrange or organize something. They set up a tent in the garden quickly. Give up. Give up. To stop trying to do something. He gave up playing the piano after many mistakes. Break in. Break in. To enter somewhere forcibly. Thieves broke into the house last night quietly. Look forward to. Look forward to. To feel excited about something in the future. I look forward to my birthday party next week. Thanks for watching. If you want to boost your vocabulary, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in our upcoming videos.